Welcome to Dari Arkam Schools. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा. ए अल्लाह हमारे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum and I welcome you all in the science class. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 4. The chapter number 4 basically cover the concept about the photosynthesis and respiration. It tell about what is photosynthesis, what is respiration, where does these processes occur and what is the importance of these processes. The first is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? It is basically a chemical reaction. फोटोसिंथेसिस एक ऐसा रिएक्शन है दैट इज़ यूज्ड बाय प्लांट जो प्लांट इस्तेमाल करते हैं टू मेक देयर ओन फूड, अपना फूड बनाने के लिए, दैट हेल्प देम टू लिव अलाइव. They also reproduce a oxygen that help human being to respire and this oxygen help human being to live. You can see from the definition of photosynthesis the importance of photosynthesis. What do plant need for photosynthesis? Plant needs some raw material for photosynthesis that are water, carbon dioxide, light and chlorophyll. Why did this process take place inside the chloroplast? Because chloroplast contain chlorophyll that is very important and necessary pigment for the process photosynthesis. Without this, photosynthesis is not possible. You can see the internal diagram of the leaf. What is the chemical equation for photosynthesis? Photosynthesis basically take carbon dioxide from environment and react with water to produce glucose and oxygen. The glucose is the food for plant. It helps them to live alive and oxygen is the byproduct that is used by organisms या human beings to respire. Why is this important to us? अभी हमने पीछे देखा कि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस है फ्रॉम एनिमल एंड प्लांट्स आल्सो बिकॉज दे प्रिपेयर फूड फॉर प्लांट के लिए वो फूड बनाता है जो उन्हें ज़िंदा रहने में मदद देता है और ह्यूमंस के लिए वो ऑक्सीजन बनाता है जो उन्हें ज़िंदा रहने में मदद देता है. दिस इज़ वाई दिस प्रोसेस इज़ वेरी हाईली इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस. व्हाट इज़ सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन? Cellular respiration is the process that release energy by breaking down food molecule in the presence of oxygen. सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन में फूड की ब्रेकेज होती है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन टू गिव एनर्जी टू ह्यूमन बीइंग्स टू परफॉर्म देयर डेली एक्टिविटीज़. What is cellular respiration? Basically, it is a step-by-step process. It takes place in steps. It takes place in all living organisms. सब living organism में respiration हो रही है. It is the basic need for the living organism to respire. They respire by breaking of food by using oxygen, and this breakage give energy to them. We have previously seen that photosynthesis take place in chloroplast, but cellular respiration take place in the mitochondria of living things. The reaction that take place during the cellular respiration is as follow. In this process, glucose, the food, is break down in the presence of oxygen to give carbon dioxide and water. During this, इसके दौरान वो एक हाई अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिलीज़ करते हैं जो कि हम यूटिलाइज़ करते हैं अपनी डेली एक्टिविटीज़ को परफॉर्म करने के लिए. That why these both processes are very important in the life of human being and plants also. एनर्जी रीन्यूएबल एनर्जी ट्रांसफ़र होती है फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर. वी बोथ एनिमल एंड प्लांट्स आर इंटरडिपेंडेंट अपॉन ईच अदर फॉर देयर बेसिक नीड्स. That's why this process is a cyclic process. As you can see from the above diagram that plants and animal are continuously in a cycle for their basic and environmental needs. Thank you for your time.